This is just a quick review for the pedals for the Peloton bike. These are add-on pedals. The pedals that come with these can be really difficult to put your feet on. They're actually meant for you to put your shoes on and they attach to the pedals. But with these add-on pedals, they make it so you can just wear normal shoes and you don't have to wear the shoes that come with the Peloton. And they go on pretty easily. They're already on, but they don't come off as easily. But you can see how they attach. There's a little clip that goes under there and one that kind of slides under there. And they're pretty sturdy. You can't really just, they're not going to come off when you're riding the bike. And just wanted to show what they look like. And they're a flat surface, but they have this tread on there. And they're really good. They've been on the bike for a while, and whenever we use it, it's really easy to just bike on there no matter what you're wearing on your feet. So I highly recommend this.